Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los Diwits. Today I'm gonna show you how I make these delicious tacos de lengua, tongue tacos. They are so tender and so delicious. We're also gonna make some salsas, the green tomatillo salsa and a salsa with avocado that is so delicious. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is the tongue that we're gonna use for our dish. It's a beef tongue, lengua de res, to make our lengua tacos. I bought this one. It comes like this, and you can get it anywhere, I guess. Even Walmart carries them. This is the brand, and we're just gonna wash it first so all the blood comes off, and we're gonna cook it in a slow cooker. We're just gonna leave it overnight for around 8 hours in the slow cooker. Okay guys, this is how the tongue looks. I took it out of the package just like that. It has a lot of meat back there. I'm just washing it so it doesn't have like a lot of blood before I put it in the slow cooker. It's a beef tongue. Okay, the tongue is clean. I already washed it just with water, and now I have it in the slow cooker. And the ingredients that we're gonna need to just leave it in there are garlic, and I'm just gonna put the whole head of garlic like this, half an onion, some bay leaves, around 4 or 6 depending on the size, and I'm gonna put some chicken bouillon and salt. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is just add water, just until the tongue is completely covered with water. You don't need a lot of water, just make sure it's like completely covered with water. I just turn it the other way because it's gonna take less water, and then I'm gonna add all the other ingredients. Okay, I added all the ingredients, the onion, the bay leaves, the garlic, and the chicken bouillon and the salt, and I'm just gonna cover it, and I'm gonna leave it overnight, around 6 to 8 hours, and then I'm gonna check in the morning to see if it's ready or if it needs a little bit more time. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm just gonna leave my heat in just low heat all night. These are the ingredients that we're gonna need to make our salsa. We're gonna need jalapeños, serranos, tomatillos, avocado, onion, and cilantro. And it depends how spicy you want it. I like it really spicy, so I'm gonna put jalapeños and serranos. But if you don't like it that spicy, just put more tomatillos or less peppers. We're gonna make 2 salsas out of this salsa. We're gonna make one that is just with tomatillos and peppers, and the other one is gonna be tomatillos, peppers, cilantro, onion, and avocado. And we're gonna start with the first step, that is to boil the tomatillos and the peppers. Okay, I have the peppers and the tomatillos in hot water already in the stove in high heat. They are starting to boil. They're gonna change colors when they're ready, and just boil them until they change color completely, and before they start, like, the tomatillos start like exploding, I guess. So just until they change color. The other ingredients that we're gonna need to go with our tacos are cilantro, fresh cilantro, onion, radishes, and limes. We're just gonna clean them, wash them super good, and chop the cilantro in little pieces, and chop just the onion in little squares too, to go with our tacos. I washed the cilantro already super good, and now I'm just gonna start chopping the cilantro just in smaller pieces. If it has like too many dry ends, you just cut them off a little bit, and then you can just start chopping it. The peppers are ready, so we're gonna start making our salsa. We're just gonna put them in the blender with all the other ingredients and start blending the salsa. Okay, I have everything in my blender, the peppers, the tomatillos, the garlic, the salt, and the onion, and now I'm just gonna blend it, and we don't want it too blended. We want to have some texture in the salsa. It only took like around 10 seconds to blend the salsa. We don't want it too blended, so 10 seconds, it's enough for the salsa. Okay guys, the salsa is ready, and this is the texture that you want for your salsa. Like I said, we're gonna make 2 different salsas out of 1 salsa. So that's the salsa. I'm just gonna taste it to see if it needs salt, but it's perfect. So this is what you usually use for your tacos. This is the salsa, green salsa with tomatillo. With the same salsa, we're just gonna put it in a different bowl. And I said we're gonna make 2 different types of salsas. So in this salsa, any of them I guess, we're gonna add the cilantro and the onion to the salsa. We're also gonna add the avocado, and the avocado we're just gonna cut it in little squares to add it to the salsa. Okay guys, we added the cilantro, the onion, and the avocado. Cut in little squares to our salsa. It looks delicious. This is the avocado green salsa. It tastes super good with these tacos too. It was so easy to make, and we already tasted. It has good flavor, enough salt. If you think it needs a little bit more, just put more, but look how delicious it looks. So we made this salsa and this salsa, both of them at the same time. So if somebody doesn't like avocado or onion, you have options for your dish. Delicious. Okay guys, the tongue is ready. It's been here for 7 hours in the slow cooker, cooking on low, and it's ready. I'm just gonna take it out, and I am going to start removing the top layer, the skin. It looks perfect. I'm just gonna take it out, and I'm gonna put it in this pan to start peeling off the skin. It's super soft, so the skin is gonna peel off completely, just like that. Look how delicious and how soft it is. Okay, I removed all the skin already. The top layer, it turns into like a white skin, and this is like leather. It's so hard, so this part you don't eat, just in case you didn't know. This part we just throw away, and as you can see, all the meat is super soft. We're just gonna chop it and get it ready to make our tacos. Just make sure you remove the whole skin. I just found a little piece right here, and I'm gonna remove it too. So this is it. Now we're just gonna chop the meat to start making our tacos. While I'm getting the lengua ready, start chopping it, I'm gonna start warming my corn tortillas to make the tacos. Okay, I'm gonna chop the tongue in half to start chopping this part first because my cutter is not that big, so I'm just gonna cut this part and start chopping it in little pieces for the tacos. As you can see, the meat is super soft, so it's easy to just chop it in little pieces. And I'm just putting it in this container, just where I'm gonna keep it to make my tacos. Okay, it's ready for the tacos, and of course I have to try a little piece just to taste all the flavors. Super good, it's perfect. The spices gave it a little more flavor, so it's super good, and it's so soft and tender, and it has a perfect amount of salt too. Okay, we have everything ready for our tacos de lengua. We have all the onions, cilantro, radishes, limes, the salsas ready, the tortillas are ready right here. The lengua is ready, so let's start making some delicious tacos. Very easy to make the tacos. You just need any tortillas that you like, usually yellow corn tortillas, and we're just gonna get the meat as much as you want on your taco, and it's already chopped in little pieces. That's a lot of meat, but let's make it with that amount of meat. And then we're gonna put onion, cilantro, and of course, we're gonna put the salsa. Let's put some of the avocado salsa on this one. You can add some salt to it, and you can put the lime on the side. You can squeeze some lime in the taco. So delicious. And with some radishes on the side. Let's make more tacos. And the tongue tacos are ready. Look how delicious they look. We have them with onion, cilantro, lime, and 2 different salsas. The one with avocado and the green salsa with tomatillo. So delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to get all of our new videos. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think about these tacos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.